Hi guys, this is Alan from Let's Say Financial. How are you today? So what for today, I'm just gonna show you how you should learn to adapt to the market. So you should trade based on what the market gives you. So you just to show you how you should change your trading style or setting of the platform depending on the market situation. So for today, the strategy that I'm gonna use is gonna be the Bollinger Bands with MACD. So I'm just gonna set up the indicators first, and then I'm just gonna show you how I normally trade based on the market condition. Okay, so let's set up the indicators first. Okay, so go to technical indicator. Okay, yep, technical indicator, and then we'll choose the Bollinger Bands. That's the first indicator that we're gonna use for today. Okay, put a tick on Bollinger Bands and then open the drop down. Okay, yep. Okay, so in here we need to deselect all the lines on the left, and then we keep the one on the right, and then we will have 3 lines on the chart, and that's all we need for the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so after we get that done, we go to oscillator, and then we will select the MACD, put a tick on MACD, and then we will go to parameter. So for today, the parameter we're using for MACD is 5, 35, and 5. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, and signal is 5. So after we get that down, we can close the technical indicators window. So the last thing as usual, the last thing I will make sure is the chart period and option periods. So for chart period, I'm using a 10 seconds chart, and I will be trading with a 30 seconds option periods. So now we're all set, and then we'll be good to go. So okay, so now we are looking at just zoom out from the chart a little bit, and then we can see that the previous downtrend has now developed into a range market. So if I draw a line there, we can clearly see that the direction of the price changes. So it was heading downward overall, and then now it's horizontal. So I placed a trade first, and I will just explain it to you further why I placed this trade. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so in here we see that the candlestick has touched the upper band, and then on the MACD, when I placed that trade, the 2 lines cross over, and then the blue line was below the red line, and then I have a purple histogram, so that's why I opened that trade. Okay, so it was ending in profit, but then now I see that the market is not really stable, as I see a lot of dashes there. So I'm just gonna change the currency pairs a bit and try to look for a better price movement which is more stable. So yep, just browse a little bit more. But you see now the price is actually really a lot of dashes in all the currency pairs here. So that's the 10 seconds chart. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna change to a 1 minute chart, and then just to see if the movement is better. So yep, that's much better. So once I change to a 1 minute chart, the movement is much better, much more stable. By looking at the candlestick, it's developing more gradually. So I guess from now I will just change to a 1 minute chart, and then I will be trading with a 3 minutes option periods. So I'm just gonna place another trade, and then I will quickly explain it to you in detail. Okay, so I will place a trade there. Okay, so in here I placed it at high, so because the candlestick touches with the lower band, and then and then after that I move on to the MACD, and then now I see that the 2 lines in MACD crossover, the blue line is above the red line, and at the same time I did have a green histogram. That's why I opened that trade there. So that's how you should trade in binary option. You don't always use the same chart period, or you don't always use the same strategy. All you need to do is to look for what is better for you to trade with, just like what I did. the 10 seconds chart was not suitable for trading, and then that's why I changed to a 1 minute chart, and then I changed the option period to 3 minutes as well. So just keep that in mind. You need to learn to adapt to the market situation and then change the way you trade. Okay, so I still have some times here, so I'm just gonna fast forward and jump straight into the result. Okay, yep, almost there. Okay, so the trade was ended in profit. So I'm just gonna tell you another advantage when trading in range market. So you see just now, when the trade was about to finish, the candlestick actually touched with the upper band already. So that actually gives me another potential chances to place another trade. So okay, so that's what I did there. So the candlestick touches with upper band, and then I move on to the MACD, and then the two lines MACD crossover. The blue line is now below the red line, and I did have a purple histogram, so that's why I opened it a low option there. So when you trade in range market, there are a lot of trading chances. So like this one just now, the previous trade just finished, and then that gives me another chances to place another option to aim for another profit. So that's why sometimes I actually prefer range market more than trend market. So okay, so again, I will just fast forward here a bit, and then just jump straight to the result. Okay, so yep, it's looking good, and yep, it's ending in profit. So just take a look at the history. Okay, so we are looking at the history for today. So I make 3 trades. One of them were traded with a 30 seconds option, and then the other 2 were traded in 3 minutes option. So again, the point for today is that you need to adjust the way you trade based on the market situation. If the price movement is not ideal to trade with in a 10 seconds chart, then you will change it, you will browse it on the other chart period. So that's why I changed it to a 1 minute option, 1 minute chart period, and then in order to use a 1 minute chart period, I changed my option period to 3 minutes as well. So that's how I changed the way I trade based on the market situation. And sometimes I do even need to change the strategy as well. So just keep that in mind. And if you do have any question on how you can change strategy, how you can change option period or chart period, just leave me a comment down there, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's pretty much it for today. If you do have any question, just let me know, and don't forget to give me a like if you like my video, and follow the channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.